don't even have to talk. No, I don't even have to talk or nothing. They just making us watch it. Oh yeah, Swiffer Power Mop Wood Quick Dry. Yada yada yada. So the batteries are in here. I don't mean to sound rude or nothing, but the flat always goes towards the spring. 2AA. Took me forever to find this crap right here. So then you just gotta get the camera. Yeah, there's professional, and then there's just, you know, getting it done. Just shove it in there. It shoves in there, and then oh shoot, you gotta put this together. This part, you push that down while you push the. All right, once you snap those together, it's still here. Press that button. It sprays. And there you go. That's how you do that. All right. A lot of filler. Swiffer Power Mop Wood. There's the filter. So these things right here. Push them in. Pull that off. And then push it down, and then to get the top right here. Filter access. Alright, and then oh no, I had that in the background. Oh well.
What is it?
Oh, the echo, whatever it is.
That what?
TV?
Oh, it's not, right? Or is that?
No, it's not there. I hate to do that.
That's just mad with a screen saver or whatever.
It's fun. Shouldn't have to force it like that. I'm gonna break it.
Yeah, it shouldn't be that much.
Bottom down first. You go like that. Push these in.
Yeah, it's not kind of.
Otherwise, you're going like that and it's not going in.
Here's what it is.
Lock. Oh shit. Huh?
That's which one it is, if they want to know what it is. There's so many Sharp products, as you can tell.
Yeah. So all I did was connect two.
For your video. You can put it in
I'm doing a video, it's multiple pictures.
Well, you can put it in your description.
And all I did was.
Ultra light pet pro power. That's too many things for a name.
It is a lot of names. You just attach the two things. It's pretty simple. And then Ultralight Pet Pro Power Fins Hair Pro Corded Stick Vacuum with Odor Neutralizer Technology HZ 700 series